Struggling to lock down that smooth 30 frames per second on your Sony A1? Let's fix that. First, ensure you're in the right shooting mode. Rotate the mode dial to movie mode Y. That's the clapperboard icon. Now, let's dive into the menu. Press the menu button and navigate to the movie tab. Look for the record setting option. In record setting, you'll see your resolution options for this tutorial. Let's assume you've chosen a resolution like 4K or 1080p. The key here is to find the frame rate or frame rec setting. Select this option. Here, you'll see a list of available frame rates. Scroll through until you find 30p or 30 fps. Select it to confirm. You should now see 30p displayed prominently on your shooting screen, confirming your selection. This 30f setting is perfect for creating natural, cinematic footage that aligns with typical broadcast television and web content. Whether you're capturing interviews, vlogs, or everyday moments, achieving a consistent 30fps ensures your footage is ready for editing and sharing. And that's how you get 30 fps on your Sony A1. Happy filming!